Alright, boys. Apparently, feels like 7 degrees outside. That's what the Weather Channel says. We're gonna be the judge of that. We got Betty in here, all tucked away. I plan on bringing her out today at some point. Let her have fun. Wow, dude, it's pure solid. This is good sledding stuff, though.
Yeah, it is. It's very good sledding stuff.
I'm too old and want to be warm for sledding.
Yeah, we get out here 2 minutes and be like, yeah.
Yeah, it's cold. Like, my hands are like about to freeze.
Yeah.
I think we're going to take Philip's car, go out drifting for a little bit in the snow. The only problem we have with taking Betty out is that we can't get her back in the garage. So yeah, if we take Betty out, we can't get back up here to put her back in the garage, so that's why we can't do that right now. Maybe later. What'd you say?
No.
Yo, what's up, PK?
Oh, God almighty.
Dude, I love this. I haven't seen snow in years. I love snow. I don't know why people hate it.
Because it's just nasty.
No,
It takes fucking forever.
it's fun, though. We actually hooked decently well.
Remember that time we fixed it like 5 times?
Yeah, I know. Every time we get in here, me and Austin close this, and Philip opens it right back up. Every time. So there you go. Santa's sleigh needs to be broken in.
What?
I don't know.
That's not.
You don't think that would work?
No. It's
Why?
not Christmas.
Oh, yeah.
That's why.
It's snowing. It just makes me... This feels more like Christmas than Christmas does.
Yeah, it was 75 degrees to Christmas this year.
Yeah, we had a cookout for Christmas. Coming to the rest. We gotta push, bro. Are we trying to go forward?
Yep.
Alright.
You're welcome. You stuck down there.
Now we're gonna go down there and find her in a ditch somewhere. We just caused a wreck by letting that woman go.
I'm sitting there talking to her. She's like, I've been every day and I'm like, oh,
Really?
Yeah, she's no English.
Oh. Ow, 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 ow. No, I hit my hand. Hurt, dude. Ow.
That's thick right here.
Stick right here. Oh, oh,
You just break the face.
yeah. The tire started throwing up at me. Break someone's ankles. Alright, Nate, what tunes you get? Tell us something about it.
The 93 race, 93 pop, and also didn't ask for it, but I got a 93 performance. So I got 3, but they said I would only get 2. So there they are. 93 pop, 93 race, 93 performance.
What we about to put on?
About to put on the pop. I drove the pop for about a couple miles yesterday. So I'm, you know, not really used to driving it yet, but it's crazy.
I am excited, like very excited.
Yeah, it's a lot different for sure, especially because it didn't pop before.
Alright, the tune's loaded up. So I get to drive.
If you want to, yeah.
Yeah, I want to. Alright, here we go, boys. First drive on Nick's new popcorn tune for me. See how it rips. Hey, it rips. I just wanted to test and make sure it ripped. Holy sh**. Okay, we're gonna turn around here. What the heck? Dude, that's insane.
That's crazy.
What does it do when you rev? Have you tried that?
No. Get behind that. Get behind.
Is it loud?
That's loud as
Dude, that was loud. We get some trouble for this car now. Holy sorry, you could. Wait, what?
Alright, one question.
Alright.
So from when I told you that I got it and I put it on, does it go up to your expectations? Did you think it would be like this?
This is way over my expectations. Like, this is insane. See if we can get some pops down here. Here, hold it out the window. Follow my Instagram. That's crazy, dude. If you don't answer. Hello. What's up, buddy?
She said something about like crank horsepower to like I don't know. She was talking about racing you, and she was like,
"Oh, in 2015." I was like,
it'd be close.
I got a tune and like an exhaust.
And she was like, but I don't know what I'd make to the tire. And I was like,
he was like,
whoa.
"Marry me right now."
time here in the popcorn tune.
First time on YouTube, bro.
Oh yeah. We never had this on the video.
You're a YouTuber now?
Yeah, bro.
Yo, what's your at?
At Freeman. 2378.
What was your intro video?
Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we're driving a Mustang. That's it. Just end it.
What's going on, guys? Today we're reviewing
catch you
the
in the
Pop
next
2
one.
for the 375th time in a row.
Dude, we can make 100 videos. I mean, I would still like it.
And that's all for today.
Don't zoom in. Buddy. Zoom in on.
That was Buddy.
No.
Who? Nuh-uh. No, she did not. No, she didn't.
What?
She said Betty White died.
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Well, that's awful.
Starting route to
Where's my
4110
phone?
Crestwood Circle.
I don't know.
Proceed to East Dixie Drive, then turn right.
We're getting started, boys. Yeah, they're...
Where is it?
Can you not find your phone? It's probably filled on your seat.
Mustang drivers can never find their phone.
This is what happens when you drive a Mustang.
I don't know where it went.
That's what happens, bro.
You want me to call it?
Yeah.
Yeah, call it.
I don't have lights Camaro. I'm calling
Do
it.
you not hear it ringing?
Yeah, I did.
It's under the seat.
No, it was. See that thing shaking. Oh my god.
I found it.
You got it?
I got it. Wait.
Alright, he found it. He found it. You following us?
Yeah.
Alright, he's gonna follow us. Get the cops.
All I'm saying is this could get me in a lot of trouble.
What bad? Just gotta be careful.
No, I won't do it that big.
Nah.
I won't do it that hard.
But yeah, pull that hard.
It could get me in trouble, but
Nah, just pull it.
just pull out hard.
Oh, you got that. You got that. Alright, here we go.
Alright, hold on.
This is my first time hearing. Oh my goodness! Dude. Dude, that is dope. That sounds good.
I know, bro.
Wow. There goes Seabass. Dude, that is actually crazy.
I know, bro.
That sounds good. Real good. Dude, that's actually wild. From how like far your car has came along, like so far.
I know, bro.
I mean, cause like, you got your cats cut off, right?
I got him gutted, yeah.
And then you did, which your car sounded good then.
Yeah, but now, like, I just feel like the tone of it is a lot better.
Yeah.
And, I mean, you can't beat this.
Yeah, that's really cool. And like now that you got the popcorn tune and the race tune.
It is pulling now.
So what's the next thing you gonna do? You gonna cam it and then
Probably headers.
pro charge?
Probably headers.
Really?
Cams. And then pro charge.
Sounds pretty good.
Dude, and just imagine slapping headers on it and cam. It
What kind of
sounds
tires
even
you
better.
gonna put some slicks like Seabasses?
When I pro charge it, yeah. I mean, I don't need it right now. I don't make enough power to but
Probably spin a little bit now since it's raining.
probably, yeah.
God, that's crazy. It is really cool though.
That's supposed to be said turn light on for camera.
How do you turn it on?
Call him on your phone. He said, like your interior light. Oh.
Oh. Okay. No.
We're good.
I thought it was a light for the camera, but it's obviously not. That's where me and Seabass wrecked at.
Oh,
Over
really?
there. Yeah,
Damn.
that was bad. Alright, here we go. Yeah. Oh, it sounded good under that bridge. Whoa. There went Seabass.
Bro, it pulled, man.
That is dope. That was Seabass. Oh. Here we go. God. Man, both of y'all under the bridges? Good Lord. How anybody sleeping up there? Holy! That was a good one. That was a really good one. Really good one. That was
nice.
That was
That
a good
was
one.
nice.
That was a good one.
That was a good one.
God. Oh!
Alright, so we got Nick. We got the cars tucked away. Nick, what's your final thoughts on this tune?
I would honestly recommend it to anyone,
Yes, sir.
even with just like any Mustang.
Yeah.
I would say that the popcorn tune is amazing, works great, and the '93 race does really good. I feel like it really helps the like the low end.
How much of a difference does your car have now?
It's like driving a brand new car.
It really is.
Like seriously.
I mean, you caught Philip getting sideways?
Yeah.
So y'all saw that. Philip knows how to drive, and we're not used to Nick's car responding like that. So it just like lit up. Like Nick's car doesn't do that. So your final thoughts on this tune? You like the popcorn tune?
The race is perfect.
Popcorn tune, what you thought it was gonna be?
Mhm.
Yeah.
Well, honestly, I didn't think it would be that good.
You think it's better?
For
Hell
sure.
yeah. So that's the Bama, by the way, and we got the what is that tuner called? The X.
It's called the Rev X tuner,
The Rev X tuner. So you can upload tunes to a cloud.
or you can do it off a computer. Too.
Yeah, you can
Either
do
way.
both. So if you guys do want a video on that or how to do something like that, just let us know in the comments. But yeah, guys, that's gonna be it.
Peace out.